Hello, everybody. If you saw the title, you know what's coming to you today. So, I have the Bewear GX box, and it includes a never before seen Bewear GX card, and it's got the jumbo card and the normal card, and 4 other booster packs, which is 40 plus 2, 42 cards. So, let's get right into it. Let's just get right into this. This is sick. Here's the card. Alright, let's take okay. This. So let's start off with the big cards. Oh, there it is. It's stuck in here. There we go. So we'll just start off with this. The Bewear EX with bear hug and double impact and big throw. Whatever that is. I don't know. I'm not a Pokemon nerd, so I just like collecting Pokemon, so yeah. So let's just start off with this first pack. The Sun and Moon Guardians Rising pack. If I can get it open, maybe we can. Come on. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so. Hold on. Alright, cool. So, we have Murkrow. We have Helioptile. Right there. We have Matchop. Slowpoke. Vulpix. Glalie. Is that how you do it? Glalie, I don't know. But it's not that bad actually. 120 hit points, crunch and raging flow. Drampa GX. Aw, sick. 180 XP. Wait, no, not XP. What? HP. Righteous Edge and Berserk. That's sick. Let's put the GXs in this pile. So, wait, where's GX? So, we have Drampa GX and the Bewear GX. So we have Energy. See, I don't know what Energy. Metang. Not too bad. Clefable. Gliscor. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Gliscor. Something like that. So that was the first pack. We got a Pokemon training card online. I don't use that, so who cares? Next one is Steam Siege. 10 additional game cards. Online. All right, cool. So first we have Nose Pass, Litleo. I don't know. I don't want to say these Pokemon names. Sneasel. Yanma. Apom. Another Sneasel. Oh, this is like a little outline. Probopass evolves from Nose Pass. That's cool. Drifblim. Fletchinder. And, ooh, Tangrowth evolved from Tangela. Leaf Storm and Flog. Not too bad. Not too bad. 130 HP. Yeah, so basically we've got 2 EXs so far. I mean GXs, not EX. I'm messing it up. So yeah, and then we have 2 more packs. Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising, another one. It's our 3rd pack. Come on, open. Okay, there we go. This is good. So we have Whalmer, Matchup, Wimpod, Wimpod, Jingmo-O, I don't know what. Wishy-Washy, Tailo, Gothitella, whatever that says. 140 HP and Link Blast and Tractor Beam. Pretty good. We got Energy. Pseudo-Wudo. What? I don't know. We're getting some good cards. Graveler. 110 XP. Pretty cool. Then Trainer Max Potion and this. Or mine. And then we got the Jumbo card. This is my first Jumbo card. So it feels amazing to be holding one. Like, this is, it's bigger than my face. Well, no, it's actually, it's smaller than my face. But it's like almost the same size. But it's just so cool. It's bigger than my whole hand. It's bigger than this. It's huge. It's like so good quality though. Like, let's just look at it. It's so cool. I love it. It's awesome. So let's just review. We got a lot of over 100 HP. Why do I keep saying XP? HP cards. We got 2 GXs. We got like just a GX out of one of them, and we got the Bewear GX, which was 100% supposed to be there. Okay. Last one is Evolutions. I've heard this has good cards. I don't know if they're just trolling me or something, but that's what I've heard. Okay, I don't know. Open. Will you please open? Oh, there we go. So, first we have a Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata. I'm not good with names, okay? Just Charmander. Clark, that's cool. That's cool. Energy. Doduo. It's so shiny. Mewtwo! It's not an EX though. 130 HP. Pretty good. You got a Pokédex trainer and Porygon, Pidgeot, Spirit Link, and that. So that was all of it. 2 EXs, 1 EX just from the pack. So we got this Drampa with Righteous Edge and Berserk. So cool, Drampa. 180 HP. That's amazing. So thank you everybody for watching the video. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up because this was awesome. Okay, especially this thing. It was amazing. So, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because, you know, I only have 15 subs. It's not, I don't know, but, yeah. Goodbye.